you're headed to a fancy Mexican beach resort or coming to my neck of the woods to enjoy one of the beautiful Carolina beaches, there are a few key essentials you don't want to forget to pack. Today, I'll be sharing my expertise as a beach girly to walk you through my must-haves for a beach or resort getaway, with some clever travel packing hacks thrown in to make your life a little bit easier. Let's go. First up, the beach bag. And my first travel hack: instead of packing your beach bag in your suitcase, use it as your personal item on your flight. That way it doesn't take up luggage space and you have everything you need handy for the trip. Look for a beach bag that's lightweight, maybe a roomy tote that's easy to carry but sturdy enough for beach days. I used this lovely striped straw bag for my trip to Isla Mujeres, and it was perfect as my personal item bag, my beach bag, and my purse when I went exploring the island. Unfortunately, this one is no longer available, but I found another that is similar and a little bit bigger. If you don't want to use your beach bag as your personal item bag, a great option is this waterproof, sandproof, packable beach bag by Body Surf. It's made from 100% recycled ripstop nylon canvas, so it can withstand even the roughest conditions. One non-negotiable for me when choosing a beach bag is that it has to have a top zipper to protect everything inside from falling out or possibly getting wet. Second, you want to bring your own towel, but not just any old towel. A regular beach towel is going to be way too bulky, but a Turkish towel, it's a total game changer. Turkish towels are lightweight, dry super fast, and roll up small. And another bonus travel hack here: they're perfect to use as a blanket on the plane when the AC is blasting and you are freezing your tail off. Item number 3, water shoes. Most of my life, I've mostly thought that water shoes were unnecessary and just downright ugly. But after many oyster cuts, rocky shore adventures, and river excursions, I've come to the conclusion that they are now an essential. Plus, these X-Drain Venture water shoes from today's sponsor, A-Leader, are downright cute. Not only do they protect your feet from getting sliced up, they also provide crucial grip on slippery surfaces around pools and boat docks. These X-Drain Venture water shoes are engineered specifically for beach life. The air mesh upper lets your feet breathe while keeping the sand out. And they've incorporated this smart, salty midsole technology that gives you actual bounce back when you walk. So you can use these shoes for those adventurous watery excursions and a bit of hiking. The water grain outsole keeps you from slipping on wet rocks, and the traction is just exceptional. Plus, they've solved that annoying soggy shoe problem with an open mesh design and drainage system that helps them dry incredibly fast. The Comfort Dry technology keeps your feet cool and comfortable even in intense heat. I've worn these for full days of beach hopping and rocky trails, and my feet have stayed comfortable the whole time. Plus, they look really cute with all of your beachy clothes. If you want to check them out for yourself, I'll have a link in the description below and the first pinned comment. A big thank you again to A-Leader for sponsoring this video and saving my feet. And if you want to save your eyes, make sure to bring item number 4, a good pair of polarized sunglasses. Not all sunglasses are created equal, and you need polarized lenses to cut the glare off the water and sand to protect your eyes. Regular sunglasses might look cute, but without that polarization, you'll be squinting all day, which results in headaches and those not so attractive squint lines between our eyes. I love my Blender sunglasses. They are very lightweight and comfortable, and they come in a ton of different styles. They run around $50 or so, so they're not cheap sunglasses, but they're also not ridiculously expensive either. And while we're talking about protection, let's get into something that after 2 skin cancer scares last year has become very important to me and should be to you too. That's sunscreen, of course. We all know sunscreen is a must at the beach, but let's talk about what kind you really need because not all sunscreens are created equal. And if you pick the wrong one, you could end up sunburned, greasy, or kind of breaking out. If you hate that heavy, greasy feeling, go for a lightweight, oil free sunscreen that won't clog your pores or melt into your eyes when you sweat. I personally love a tinted mineral sunscreen because it protects my skin while evening out my complexion. And it's perfect for those no makeup beach days. My go-to is the La Roche-Posay 50 SPF tinted sunscreen, and I've been using it for well over 2 years now, pretty much daily, and I love it. For your body, look for a reef-safe, water-resistant sunscreen with at least SPF 30. You'll want something that absorbs quickly and doesn't feel sticky, especially if you're heading into the water or going to be around a lot of sand. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours or so if you're in the sun and immediately after swimming or if you're towel dry a lot. Since I have sensitive, drier skin that gets even drier when swimming in salt water, I've started using this CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen. It goes on so nice. It makes my skin feel soft and silky. And if you're going to be checking a suitcase when you head on your beach vacation, I would highly recommend buying your sunscreen at home or on Amazon before your trip because it is something that you will pay a premium price for at your destination, even here at my home beach. I just purchased this bottle of CeraVe for my trip at my local CVS, which is just 4 blocks from the beach, and it was twice the price that it is on Amazon. And don't forget lip sunscreen. Yes, your lips can burn too. And trust me, sunburned lips are painful. A lip balm with SPF 30 will keep them soft, hydrated, and protected. I love this little solid stick sunscreen from Sunbum for my lips, and sometimes I'll add a little extra on my cheeks and nose too. If I want a little extra color on my lips, I'll just top off the sunscreen with one of my favorite tinted lip balms from Cliganic. They don't have any SPF, so I do have to put the sunscreen on first, but gosh, I really love the tints that are in these lip balms. Item number 6 is for those of you who might be going on a bit more of an adventurous beach vacation, and that is a waterproof backpack. It's perfect for when you're heading out on boat tours, snorkeling excursions, kayaking, or you just want to keep your stuff safe from surprise waves. A waterproof backpack can be a lifesaver. It keeps everything dry, whether you end up caught in a sudden rain shower or one of those sneaker waves comes up and gets your stuff. And along with a waterproof backpack, you'll want item number 7, which is a waterproof bag for your phone. Your phone plus water equals disaster. A waterproof phone bag lets you take photos, keeps your phone safe from splashes, and you can even use it while you're in the water. Trust me, this little bag will save you from heartache. My new dry bag that I just got from Amazon came with both a waterproof phone case and a waterproof waist pouch that you can put your phone in either one of these. They're great for paddleboarding and kayaking. I used mine a lot when I was in Florida last year, paddleboarding and swimming with the manatees. Item number 8 is an insulated stainless steel water bottle. There is nothing I hate worse than drinking warm water on a hot day. And it is so important to stay hydrated on those hot and salty beach days. Back in the day, I used to freeze water bottles to take with me to the beach. But now, with my insulated water bottle, my water stays cold for hours. I have long been a huge fan of the Contigo water bottles, and they are what I use consistently. And if you're flying to your beach destination, you'll definitely want your reusable water bottle for that flight too. Just remember to empty out the water before you go through security. Number 9 is the ubiquitous Sling bag. For sightseeing or quick walks to the beach bar, a Sling bag is the perfect accessory. It keeps your hands free and holds just the essentials: your phone, sunscreen, lip balm, and your room key. I've had this little inexpensive one from Amazon for almost 5 years, and it has seen a lot of beach vacations. But if you are looking for something that is waterproof, has RFID protection, this sling bag from TomTalk is a great option. A good cover-up is beach essential number 10. The things I look for in a beach cover up is one that's lightweight, easy to throw on, and can be stylish enough to wear from the beach straight to lunch or happy hour. And I don't know about you all, but I've had a really tough time finding beach cover ups I like lately. I'm wondering if y'all have run into this. And if you have you come across a cover up that you really like or a cover up brand that you really like to order from? If so, please let us know in the comments below because it's really hard to find good cover ups. Before leaving for Puerto Rico, I ordered 15 different cover ups to try on. And out of those, I found 5 that I really liked. And this first one is a very simple and classic white knit cover up. It's a perfect example of a cover up that can go from the beach to a nice dinner out. You'll just want to make sure that if you're not wearing a bathing suit under it, you wear skin colored underwear so, they don't kind of show through. The second one is perfect for those of you who may prefer something a little more conservative. It's a great length, and I like that the waist is actually adjustable and not a fixed elastic. It comes in about 16 different color variations, so you can find the perfect color for you. I have been wanting to try out the oh so popular crochet cover-up trend that's been around for the past years. So I ordered this colorful crocheted one, and honestly, when I first pulled it out of the package, I thought for sure I would be sending it back. But once I tried it on, I really kind of liked it. It is a little bit heavier, so it's probably a better option for beach vacations in cooler climates, like maybe Cape Cod or some of the California beaches. It does come in about 30 different colors and patterns, so if you want something a little less rainbow, you have plenty of options. This fourth one is another great beach to dinner cover up. It's really hard to find a good boho patterned cover up these days, but this one is perfect. I like the crochet inset too. It feels very flattering. This one is black and white, but it also comes in blue and white, green and white, or pink and white. So they're very, very pretty. Finally, this is my favorite, but might be a little, let's say a little too flirty for some of you. I love the color and the wide gathered elastic waistband. It's very flattering. It's very lightweight, and I could totally see myself wearing this out for a fun night at the beach bar. And you know what looks super cute with all of these cover-ups? Item number 11, a good straw hat. A hat isn't just for style. It's one of the best things you can pack for a beach vacation. The right hat protects your face, your neck, and even your scalp from sunburn. And it keeps you cooler and cuts down on the glare so you're not squinting all day long. Personally, I really love my straw bucket hat. It's not too large, and you can actually sit back in a lounge chair without your hat, being pushed forward into your face, which is what happens to me with all those large floppy hats or even those straw cowboy style hats. I'm also a fan of a good baseball hat, especially one that has a little bit of character or has a design that might start up a conversation. Like I love wearing my North Carolina hat because people will stop and say, "Oh, are you from North Carolina? I'm from North Carolina too." Yeah. Those types of things. It's a great way to make new friends when traveling. Unfortunately, my favorite straw bucket hat is no longer available, but I have linked something very close to it in the description below. And finally, item number 12 is a great pair of sandals that, like your cover up, can go from day to night and support you whether you're walking on hot sand or wandering around a fun beach town. To help you find the perfect travel sandals for you, check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have safe and wonderful travels.